used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the no sitting loud. The sin is like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. I am coming to you today with this absolutely gorgeous box. It is the Zaabox, and I'm going to tell you, I just did a live video on Facebook, and I was recording with my camera, and the batteries are dead, so I said I'm going to record with my phone. Now, this is a totally different phone. I had some, my other phone was just gone. It died. It bit the dust, and I did not want to spend $900 for another phone at this point in time in my life. So, y'all, I'm going to tell you, like I told them over there on Facebook Live, I am tired. I have been running all day. I have been up. I just got all types of things going on. I'm tired, okay? But I got this box, and this is the wrapping that the box came in. And this is the seal that was on there. First of all, this seal is a crown. Y'all don't look at my nails. Don't look at my nails. The seal is a crown. And I'm here to tell you, this just made me feel all kind of special. When I got this box out the mailbox, I was like, okay, this is gorgeous. I got to know what's in here. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I went over on Risa Richardson's, she was doing a live video, and it says Zaabox. I said, ooh, let me see what that could be in here. Because I had one. I had got mine out the mailbox. But what caught my eye was it said, perishable, refrigerate upon arrival, open immediately. So, y'all, sometimes it takes me anywhere from 2 weeks to a month to do a review. For real, for real. But when it said that, I said, I want to see what's in this box. It's hot under these lights, y'all. So, anyway, I got the box, and I went to do my live video, and I was trying to do this video, too, at the same time. But like I said, my camera died. So, I took the stuff out of the box, and I'm going to try to put it back because it has little indents of where everything was, and so I can show you the box, okay? So this is a card. This is a care card that comes in the box, and it tells you everything that's in the box and all the ingredients. Okay, first and foremost, let me tell you something. If you actually get your package and you do like that, you can smell the scents coming from it. Okay. This box is so romantic. It has it's just like the Kama Sutra of romance right here. Okay. This was in the box. Okay. I absolutely love roses. Fresh flowers, roses. They really hold a special place in my heart. And I have my reasoning behind that. I'll tell that in another video. But if you really want to touch me, you really want to, get there, this is the way to get there with me, through a rose, okay? A rose or a fresh flower. It does not have to be no $1,000 flowers. It don't have, you can give me some $9.99 roses, and it'll just touch my heart. It'll have me crying and everything, okay? But this smells absolutely wonderful. And this was the first part. When you got to the box, it was a card in there, a gold card, with your name on it. See, mine says CC. And inside it says, welcome to Zaabox. Okay, I know the camera on this phone is terrible, but it is what it is. It says, my darling CC, cancel any plans you have for tonight. I have a night of endless pleasure planned for you, my chocolate goddess. The candles are softly burning. And it is absolutely beautiful. This right here is just beautiful. It's just, this is what's on the inside, and it is so, so beautiful. And it is personalized. Because he didn't write your chocolate goddess to any and every woman out there, okay? Now, This box is geared toward women of color. Okay, it is geared toward women of color. And in my Facebook video, I said melatonin. Okay, like I said, I'm tired. Melanin. Women that have melanin in their skin. Okay, whether it's a little bit or if you just covered in it, like me. We just have, when we have a different skin texture, we have different skin issues. We have issues. But any woman can buy it, because I'm here to tell you, I don't care if you're white, green, blue, grizzly, gray, black. It don't matter. This book right here gonna get you. This box right here gonna get you. This box is absolutely wonderful. Anyway, like I said, the rose was in there. The first thing was the card, the rose. Okay, it was wrapped like this in a bow with the card turned like this, and it was underneath there, and it had the bow on it. So when you open the box up, this is how it looks. More or less, it was neater than this, but again, I opened it on Facebook Live, so I will include the link to that video down below if you want to see exactly how it looked on Facebook Live, exactly how it looked when I opened it up. But anyway, inside you have, this is Metra's Lavender Body Wash. It is vegan, soy-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. Okay, and when I tell you this is just a light, subtle scent, it's not that, you know, some body washes is just overpowering. You washed up, you can't put no perfume on because you're going to be smelling. You can't do it. This one is really light and subtle. It will accent any perfume that you put on because it's just a fresh, clean scent with a very light touch of lavender. Okay. You also have this lavender, I think it's sachet. And this is 100% organic lavender buds, okay? So you can actually make lavender oil out of this. You can make lavender infused oil. Let me get it right. You can make lavender infused oil. You can make lavender tea out of this. I'm pretty sure you can use this for anything. You can put it in your drawers, but this, and it's not really strong. It actually does smell like a lavender tea. And so, truthfully, I'm going to try it. I'm going to make me a tea out of it tomorrow or either tonight. And I will let you know if it messes up my stomach, y'all. I got a cast iron stomach. So, I don't think, if it's 100% organic and it's lavender buds, you can actually use it for tea because you can use dried lavender for tea. Okay. And I'm going to try it because I'm curious. I happen to like a little touch of lavender in my tea. The next thing that was the angels sung over this is this absolutely wonderful. It's Ponte wax, hand poured with love in Brooklyn, 24 hours burn time, 4-ounce, 100% soy wax candle. When I tell you this smells absolutely wonderful, this has romance written all over it, y'all. This box right here is just this is a box of Kama Sutra. It is a boxed up aphrodisiac. Just the scents and the smells coming from it, it is relaxing. I'm going to tell y'all like I told y'all, I told them over there on live, okay? It is some days. Now I'm going to tell you, most days I wake up anywhere between 3:45 and 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't get to bed till after 10. And I am usually on my feet all of those hours. Okay. So at the end of the day, when I'm sitting there looking like I done smoked a good pound of some fire kush, I don't smoke, y'all. But when I'm looking like it, because my eyes so low and I'm just that tired, and Stanley get to rubbing on me, I want to hit Stanley in the throat. But I'm here to tell you, if you take this box, take each item out of this box, you look at that rose, you smell it, you know. If Stanley was to give me this box at the end of the day, I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. Stanley wouldn't be able to go to work the next morning. I'd be put something on Stanley, okay? For real. This box is so romantic. it gives you a boost. It gives you just the thought of getting in the tub. The tub, not just the shower. I'm talking about the tub. You got to get the whole, you got to get the whole, you got to get the whole effect, everything. You get in the tub. You light this candle. Yes. Then you go ahead and run you a little water. Put you a little bit of this in there. Okay. Now, if you got one of them drains, you got to get one of them mesh things from the Dollar Tree. Put this for your drain, okay? You stop your tub up. You put you a little of this in there. Just a little bit. Maybe a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Get that water real hot. Put you a half a teaspoon of this in there. Okay. Now, if you got the tub with the jets, turn them jets on, let them go through, let them flow for a little bit, put the hot water. While the water's cooling down, you burning the candle, you got this in there perfuming out the tub. Okay. Now you get in the tub, you relax, you chilling. You got all these scents coming to you. These natural scents that are aphrodisiacs. Yes. Oh my goodness. Then, now the rose was on top, so you just sitting in the tub. Now, if he know how to do it, he done set this rose somewhere where you can see it. You just smelling the rose and you just laying there, you relaxing. All that tiredness draining off your body. Wait a minute, I ain't done yet. After you first you go through this. You wash with this. This is the chocolate lavender aromatherapy soap. This right here smells like that good, rich chocolate. It's a chocolate place in downtown Chicago. I think it's Ghirardelli's. It's because it's two of them. I know it's Fannie Mae chocolate used to be down there. Then it's Ghirardelli chocolate that's down there. And it's another chocolate company that's down there. They're like all in a row. But you could probably go anywhere in downtown Chicago. You got to go downtown. You can't go on the west side. Can't go on the south side. You have to go downtown by the Sears Tower, all of that stuff. The Hancock building, you got to go down there by that. And you go find you a chocolate store. This is what, when you walk in that store, this is what that store is going to smell like with a touch of lavender. Okay? You go in there and this is it. And so you wash with this first because this is going to help get you in that mood. This is that, And then, if you want to go by and rewash again with this, go ahead. Now, after you done did all of that, you get out the tub, dry off a little bit, leave a little bit of water on your body. Okay, just a little bit. Because you want this to cover that water to get you extra soft. This right here is a lavender vanilla body butter. Absolutely fire. It smells wonderful. I put some on my hands still. They're not greasy, but they're very moisturizing. I ain't going to front. They was ashy. Because it's dry here. In New Mexico, it is extremely, extremely dry. And so this is beautiful. This is Tasha Hussey body butter. After all of that is over with, while you in the tub relaxing, I want you to get to this box right here. You open this up, okay? You open this up, and inside are 2 purple chocolate hearts. Yes. Now, I have not tasted these yet, but just the thought right here. Fellas, I'm going to holler at y'all for a minute, because the women already like, oh, I want that box. Fellas, I'm finna holler at y'all right quick. Look, some of y'all complain, especially, y'all just, your wives, you sitting up here talking about some shit. She don't never want to do this. She don't never want to do that. She ain't never in the mood. I might get some here and there or whatever. For those of y'all that are going through this, I want y'all to go on Zaabox.com. Zaabox. Let me get it in the camera for y'all. Zaabox.com. I want y'all to order this box. I want y'all to cook some dinner. I don't care if you got to make some beans and franks, okay? I want y'all to cook some dinner, something. Don't take her out to dinner. That's not what we on right now. I'm pulling your coattail. I'm finna get y'all some, okay? Cause this is a get you some box. This ain't no This a get you some box right here. This that for real deal. This ain't no quickie. This will get you some all week. This box right here. Okay, I'm trying to tell you something. This a makeup box. This I done went to the casino and gambled away half the paycheck, and I don't know, she gonna beat me to death. You're gonna be all right. Okay, I'm telling you. You cook some dinner. Lee, make sure she stay in the house. Tell her, baby, I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. Don't worry about it. I got this. Cook some dinner. Bring it in there to her. Run her some bath water. Set this up, you dig, right here. Burn this candle. While she eating her food, I want you to light this candle. You understand what I'm saying? After you light this candle, then I want you to just... Sorry about that, y'all. Then I want you to, after you get it out the tub, you wash it with either one of these soaps, whichever one floats your boat. I would go with this one, though. I would go with the chocolate aromatherapy bar, because this going to really get you going, okay? You're going to be straight with this. And I want you to feed her these chocolates. Feed her these chocolates while she in that tub. You feed them to her, okay? Then you get her out. You pat her dry. Don't dry her completely. Rub her down and massage her with this body butter. Then I want you to comment on this video down below. I will put the coupon code in the description box. The box is $34.99, y'all, but this box is well worth it. I don't know what happened there.